Hello people, welcome to your beautiful show True Talk on Elite TV. As always, I'm your uncle girl Anita, and we are still talking BB Niger, and I have some cool dudes in the studio with me today. Please can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Isaac, aka Azamani, here in the studio.
Okay, I have Ice Amani.
I'm Samuel Oluyemi.
Samuel Oluyemi, the bad guy. I have 10 in just today. I want to talk BB Niger. So let's have Ice Amani. So what's your general view on BB Niger?
BB Niger is right. Funny enough, I think it's a big brother in Nigeria.
Yes.
My general view is, I don't know why they even coined a word like BB Niger. I'm still trying to find a reason behind. There's a reason behind anything. So what's the reason behind this program?
What's the reason behind the program? Do you know the reason?
Can I give you the reason behind the program so you can understand? Okay, so first of all, BB Niger, like we all know, is an avenue for a particular program where we bring persons from different backgrounds and different culture, you house them in a confinement just to live together, to portray according to the producer of this BB Niger, that's Obi Osika. He said that this is to present the image of the society, the African society. So that's the major reason for BB Niger, in case you did not know. And let me go further to also explain to you that I said the image. Thank you so much.
To portray what, please?
The image, I said.
It's funny when you say image because I can't see any reason the way you mentioned it. You said you want to give me a reasonable explanation, but all you just said boils down to image. Bringing people from different backgrounds to portray an image.
Yeah.
I think they actually tarnishing the image of Africa. Because, excuse me, the BB Niger is no way portraying the image of Africa.
So what is it?
It's basically a Westerner image that they brought in to. I don't understand why you take some people into confinement to make up for I don't know the duration of the day because
it's 5 days. It's for the last one. In case you don't know, let me update your stats.
There's just a for 5 days.
Yeah. 85 days.
85 days.
Yeah.
85 days. So these guys, they're not working somewhere. They just left and started working 85 days.
Come on.
And funny enough, they bring them. I know one of their requirements, or when they come into the house, what they give them, they offer them condoms too. Are you aware of that?
Of course, condoms. General. Anyone can keep condoms.
Anyone can keep condoms.
Sex protection.
So I believe that your pastor keep condoms. Right?
Let's not go into religious matters.
Okay.
Let's not go into religious matters.
Yeah,
I know where you're driving.
No. It's not
religion.
Let's go into culture.
Let me overthink for him because he has mentioned condom and I know where he's going to. He's going to the sexuality of BB Niger. Okay, so if you say BB Niger portrays sexuality so much or immorality,
he does.
Like I said, the reason I emphasize the purpose of the program is that you won't misunderstand and misquote things. See, one of the things that has been harming and then doing so much harm to our society today is insincerity. If we can face the matter, if we can face what is happening to us in society, if I'm going to ask you, immorality, are these things not happening in our society?
Okay.
Do we not have condoms in society?
We do have condoms.
What are you trying to tell me? Are you trying to say they should hide condoms away from them? You are bringing in adults into male and female who can easily, of course, emotions can develop. You're living with someone, you can't explain such things. And then just so we won't result in another big problem in society, which is unwanted pregnancy. And then which would stuff like that, STI. Yes. They provided them with condom. What would you have to say if you were?
I can feel your vibes.
Yeah.
The way you are supporting this nonsense, I can feel it. See, actually, the issue is that you are not saying what I'm saying. You are saying your so-called idea are reasonable.
Of course. What are you saying exactly?
Calm down. Okay. This is a program brought together to show much of the culture. There are beautiful cultures all over Africa.
Yeah.
If you go to Guinea, they have beautiful culture. South Africa, they have beautiful culture. They brought in a Western culture and they
Imbibe it.
Excuse me.
brought some people into the
I
house
stand.
to discuss what, to do what.
I stand to correct that.
To correct
I
what.
stand to correct that.
See, Bibi Naija, the idea behind Naija was abused. It was supposed to portray African culture, not portray nonsense with public.
Excuse me.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
telling you.
Can I say something?
Can you just pause for a while?
Okay.
We'll take a short break and we'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me suggest this, or it's not a suggestion though, but it could be a light, it could be on a lighter mood. But you see, for instance, we had a roommate, an housemate who Miracle, and it was Miracle's birthday, a big one, a big one. These are the things that happen in our society. A big birthday, and then his lover in the house. His lover in the house. Let me tell you what happened exactly.
Okay.
Let me tell you what happened exactly. His lover in the house, she couldn't get him anything better.
Oh.
I mean, on the night of
Sex is the best. It is the best.
On the night of his birthday, he gave him a gift, a wonderful gift.
Okay.
A wonderful gift. I'm sure you know about the gift already.
I don't know about it.
The gift.
I don't know.
He made him feel good.
Say it.
He made him feel good.
Give him what?
He made him feel
Give
good.
him what?
He made him feel good. Feel good. Feel good.
Okay.
These are things. See, let me tell you, these are things that we do indoors that we can't portray outside.
Thank God you said indoors.
That is what Bibi Naija has come to do.
To bring it outside.
Tell us that.
To
Let's not
bring
shy
this
away from
nonsense
these
out.
things. These things are happening down there.
Okay. So now, as a Nigerian youth that is watching Big Brother, of course I'm above 18. I'm watching Big Brother Nigeria, and as in Nigeria, our culture is that you don't have sex before marriage. Yes, our culture is that you don't have sex. You should get married as a virgin. So are you saying that I'm in a relationship now and I'm watching Bibi Naija and they are Nigerians too? So I can give my boyfriend.
That is the new culture. That's what they're trying to portray. That is it.
Excuse me, like I said, since it's what you just quoted now as a new culture, you call it new culture. It doesn't deny the fact that our culture, our old culture, well, that's there. But this is what we have today. This is what we have in our hands today.
So is a new culture going to be a bad thing?
It's obviously a bad thing.
Okay.
Because we are trying to protect our generation. There's this flavor when it comes to Africa. We all know Africa, they are well cultured.
Yes.
This is why white people, they come to this country to learn from us. But what they are doing right now, even Nigeria, they are trying to portray the Western. They're trying to mix the Western. When you're talking just now, I did not interrupt you. They try to mix the Western culture with our African culture. And now this program, to start from the basis, is a Nigeria program, and it's not even done in Nigeria. To see how clueless the program is.
That's what technically.
It's so worse
for some reasons.
There's no.
For some reasons.
That's why the program is clueless.
See,
It's clueless. What will you say? God,
let me educate you.
The Nigerian Premier League, they didn't show it on DSTV.
Let me educate you.
If you want to go through that means, please. I don't need your education. Because what you are saying is corrupting our African culture, which is bad. In the same education they are trying to bring in, that's why they are doing Bibi Naija. Bring out
This culture you're talking about also.
See,
it's been portrayed. They have nights. I mean, Saturday parties where they give them African attires. African dresses where they put. Sexuality is not the only thing that's been portrayed by this Bibi Naija. You know, we have sports, we have culture, we have cooking, we have relationship, we have diverse things. Why do people only centralize?
What is this Spanish for? Look at it.
What is the space?
Sexuality is one of the major purpose of, because when they come into this house, they did not give them football kits. They did not give them PS3 pads. They gave them what? They gave them what? They gave them what?
When they have,
they should have anything in the condom somewhere in the house. They gave them
those things when they have.
Bibi Naija is clueless.
beginning from the initial plan to take it away from Nigeria, I think it's a white space.
Okay, so why is it
reorientation on this.
Why is it
This is a program that is showing us the real things happening in our society. Let's not shy away from them. Sincerity is what's going to take us forward in this country.
Okay, so Big Brother Nigeria, why is it hosted in South Africa?
Okay, for multi-purpose, that's, you know, the owners of
There is no purpose.
No.
There is obviously no
Let
purpose.
me tell you,
NFL, the Nigerian Premier League, is being shown in DSTV too. So what? So okay, they would have taken the football to South Africa.
Let me tell
because they can see the program is clueless, beginning from the production, and also clueless because they tend to destroy the African culture. In fact, they will not just call it a Big Brother Nigeria or Big Brother Africa. They will just call it something else. Make it a control, make it a social and a useless.
You don't have to say that because this program has been put down to enrich
what?
Enrich youth.
What are the youth?
Enrich youth.
When you end
for instance, this Miracle who just won 45 million.
And
45 million.
well, let's take the ratio. Let's take the ratio.
You don't have to take any ratio. Don't go.
Miracle is just one person in Nigeria.
Yeah.
In Nigeria, we know our population quite well. So you're enriching one man, you're saying enriching people. You're not enriching anybody. That's not a basic skill of empowerment.
Miracle
you can use that money to empower more than 5 Nigerians. You decide to give to one lazy Nigerian youth that decide to stay in confinement.
That's what you call him. That's what you call him. Miracle has found his own farm where he's getting his money. Let others find theirs too.
So everybody should go to Nigeria.
I don't mean
how many?
Baby Nigeria.
One person just wants the money.
There are other lands.
Baby Nigeria is clueless. Beginning from the Nigeria one. Because I don't know why you're even between. So you can see they give you what? Excuse me.
He's doing a very good job.
Oh, now this TV should have a station where they start showing porn. Yes.
It's not.
No. They show endorse that.
These things.
They show endorse that.
Endorse what?
Of course, they should have a station where they show. They just show porn. They just have to put restriction. They have to be a good thing. So that's why we just continue this mentality.
This is
Africa. For crying out loud,
maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes out of 24 hours.
5 minutes can distress someone.
So what?
Time can distress someone. What are the chances of what?
What are the chances that someone will be watched and ended? He said he does not regret ever participating in this, and then he tells us that
you will not regret it, but he obviously enjoyed the nonsense he was doing in the house.
Very good with the housemates. That's to tell you that they are
not social media. They don't like social media.
This is really hot.
Yes, I know. So also one of the challenge they gave them is this Big Brother Nigeria. They paired them and they brought fake babies to the house and they told them to like take care of the baby. I don't you think that is trying to bring up a sense of responsibility?
If they want to bring in a sense of responsibility, they should remove the condom out of their house first of all.
Okay.
The reason why I will come to that point is because of this. We just said they brought fake babies in their house for them to paint. So they should learn the process on how to have that baby first of all. So they should remove the condom and start from there. What is as simple as that?
Do you mean they should remove the condom?
Do you think carrying someone's baby that's how to take care of a baby?
Why do you keep on?
Can you
leave condom out of this discussion?
I am not leaving condom.
Please leave condom out of this discussion. Leave condom out of it.
Because there is nothing these things portraying concerning.
I just told you now that they portray culture.
No, what kind of culture?
The attires.
Then you can go on Facebook and watch wonderful videos of other African nations.
Oh my God.
Zimbabwe, they have nice culture. South Africa, they portray a lot. Guinea, like colors are fine. So what are we saying? What are we saying? You can watch that educative program with nice culture without spoiling your mind for 5 minutes. And 5 minutes can ruin your destiny for life. I'm serious. I know what I'm saying.
5 minutes.
I know what I'm saying. Yes.
I think we really need to talk about this even beyond now.
Okay, your final word.
My final word, for us to move this country forward, I believe in sincerity, and then BB Nigeria is doing that.
Bringing sincerity, okay.
My final word is Baby Nigeria came to distract us from the major issue we have in Nigeria.
Okay.
It's a distraction, and it should
for
be
youth.
For youth, yes. They've only said youth were the future of this nation, and they are bringing people in. They're bringing more distraction to the distraction from the future. So we should focus on the future and let Baby Nigeria rest and let it go.
Oh,
this is really good.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye. I love you.